Hello everyone, welcome on Frog Tech Tips. Today we got a Nikon Coolpix W150 camera. It's a waterproof camera. We'll just do an unboxing and later on I'll be doing a review for you. It's a 10-meter waterproof, 1.8 meter shockproof as well, freeze-proof up to 10 actually, and dust-proof. And what is inside this holiday pack kit? It should be backpack, manuals, and camera itself. We'll first have a look on the backpack. Nice. Okay, simply Nikon back. And now we have got a camera. Okay, and inside this box is charger, one cable, battery, brush, band, camera itself. There we go. We open this and just slide in the battery and we'll see if the power on. If its camera is charged. Yeah, it's power on. And we'll have a couple of settings. Is 31 language. Okay, I will not set the date or whatever now. It's actually just quickly show you. Okay. Yes. And let's just remind what's needed. Not forgot. And that's it. Camera is ready to use. You got actually two simple buttons. One is for the camera and one is for the video recording. So simply main button, and actually that's it. Yeah, this is unboxing for Nikon Coolpix. And I also got a Coolpix X33, which is the oldest model, but you can see is looks very similar. Even the front. We will be have a look on from the far away. That will be not even see which one is which one. Yeah. Main difference is this one is got a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection, and also the can remote this camera from phone or something like that. That's the main difference. Otherwise, everything should be the same. Okay, don't forget to click like, share this video if you want it, and don't forget to subscribe as well. See you on my another video.